know what freaking time it is on. It's OzyWorldWide, Mr. Too Trendy fam. We out here at the freaking sea. Right here, you see this? I just come with this lady over here, fam. You know, I'm just gonna ask you some questions, you know? So, yo.
I get to be interviewed by a handsome young man. I don't mind at all.
Yeah.
I'm old, not dead.
Don't know, fam. Okay, yeah, so what do you think about Somali people? You know, what's your thoughts, you know, like whenever you see us in the public, you know?
But how do I know you're Somalian and not Canadian?
Are you serious, my brother?
Well, tell me about Somalia. I don't know enough, unfortunately.
So I got the whole
what do you
coastline.
do that's fabulous?
We're pirates, you know what I mean? We
Well-
take over people's countries, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I see.
We take over here. We protect our territory. We're very
that's
patriotic people.
Okay.
You know what it is.
I'm known as the last Vancouver pirate. So you've just met a Canadian pirate. It's very good to
my
see.
God.
You're good at fighting for your territory. Now,
100%.
swords, daggers, what do you use?
We use the Glocks, the AK-47s, the Happets. Pow, pow, pow. Like, we take over the freaking game, you know what I mean?
But isn't that
I
kind
don't know. I thought people come, we go, we take our machete and then we slice them up, you know?
But isn't that, quite frankly, a little wussy? Because truly, if you're truly a fighter, all you need is what you've got in your hand.
Okay.
You're rather like the Americans where the 4-year-olds carry Uzis, you know? I'm sorry. I like to play with toddlers. I don't want to worry they're packing heat.